Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy tiramisu at home. Traditional tiramisu often contains high-fat mascarpone cheese and many egg yolks, contributing to its richness. Our healthier approach involves substituting these with lighter dairy options and fewer yolks. We'll also significantly reduce the sugar content, often by 1/3 to 1/2, using natural sweeteners. Additionally, consider swapping traditional ladyfingers for whole wheat varieties or making your own low-sugar biscuits for an even lighter dessert. First, brew a strong batch of espresso or dark roast coffee and allow it to cool completely. This is crucial for flavor. For the cream, combine about 1 cup of light ricotta cheese or Greek yogurt with 2 to 3 tablespoons of light cream cheese for a creamy base. Sweeten this mixture with natural options like 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or a few drops of stevia. Finally, gently fold in 2 to 3 whipped egg whites to create a wonderfully airy and light texture for your filling. Now, let's assemble our delicious tiramisu. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring they are moistened but not soggy. About 2 seconds per side is ideal. Arrange a single layer of these dipped ladyfingers at the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Next, spread half of your lightened cream mixture evenly over this ladyfinger layer. Repeat these steps to create a second layer. Then cover and chill the tiramisu in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to set properly. Before serving your healthy tiramisu, dust the top generously with about 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with fresh berries like raspberries or a sprinkle of dark chocolate shavings. Always serve your tiramisu chilled to ensure the best flavor and texture experience. This lighter version provides all the delightful taste of traditional tiramisu, but with significantly fewer calories and less fat, making it a perfect guilt-free treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.